So guys, let me tell you right now, it's a Monday afternoon. It's a bit windy. It's not the nicest weather, but it's Monday afternoon. I'm just going for a random walk. No school, no job, no nothing. So I want to talk about if dropping out of school was the best option for me. And for other people, this may answer your own question. And now some people may say that, oh, the second I dropped out of school, I started making money online. Started getting my first $25,000 in sales, which is all amazing. It all fell into plan perfectly. But honestly, I dropped out of school way before. In my mind, I said I wasn't going to my final exams and I'm not signing up for next semester way before I even found my mentorship program. I was all in. And it took me years and years. I knew I didn't like school. I didn't like school fucking since high school, college. But it took me years to get the mindset to say, you know what, like, fuck this. I'm actually fucked no matter what. If I go through the school life, the school path, I'm fucked no matter what. So it's not even a risk to drop out. I just need to figure it out. Now for some people, they can handle both. They can do school and they can do their online side hustle, let's say, side hustle. But at the end of the day, not only did I see instant results because I do believe that I brought a fire up my ass because there's nothing, like there's no backbone left. But it also made me happier because I didn't have to deal with that shit anymore. Going on the metro, feeling like a fucking rat slave. Fucking, I don't know if you feel like that, but if you feel like that, I think you'll be in a better mind space and succeed more and quicker if you just drop out. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But at the end of the day, from my experience, it was probably, yes, one of the most and important, crucial points of my life, decisions in my life. And I'm really happy. And like I said, Monday afternoon, no worries, just finished doing some business, getting some sales. Life's good. I'm very grateful for the opportunity that I have. You know, I do live with my parents, so they do support me in some ways. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not some guru saying that I own shit, but it's been good. It's been good. So if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, follow along the journey. The train's leaving soon, fast. I'll see you